To assemble, once assembled it looked pretty solid, but we will have a look right here. The handlebars have a good grip and the handbrake works smoothly as well. The rear light activates when you engage the handbrake, which is a nice safety feature. The display is clear and easy to read, showing off your speed, battery, level and more. You can switch between drive modes, including a speed mode and an eco mode. The battery life seems decent, but I will need more time to test it out. The front light is bright and essential for visibility, which is right here. You can just turn that on by pressing the button. One thing I like is the folding mechanism. It's easy to fold the scooter for storage, although it's a bit tricky to do with one hand. The e-scooter has a solid build quality and the wheels feel sturdy. The deck is spacious and has a good grip. Let's have a little look at the fold mechanic here. You just pull that up and then you open it up. Like I said, it's kind of tricky with one hand, but you will get it. Also, here's the reels again, like I talked about before. This is the pad where you're gonna stand on, and everything is made pretty solid, as said. Let's have a look at the app, or at least let me say something about the app already, and then we'll show the app as well. The app is really user-friendly. Oh, here's the spot where you charge it. But yeah, the app is really user-friendly. You can check your battery level, trip history, and even look for your scooter. I'm not sure how reliable the built-in lock is, so I would recommend using additional lock for extra security. But yeah, let's see how that actually works. Here's the brake and the light that lights up. So all in all, first off, a pretty good impression. So this is the app. You get greeted with the scooter itself, and as I said, it's locked now. You can see by the orange bar and the lock screen. And there's all this information. You unlock it, as I said, and now it's ready to take off. You can lock it again, so that it goes smoothly and fast. As I said, all the information about battery, charging, life, and stuff is found here. A lot of information you can take a look at if you wanted to, but I don't know, it seems like a little bit too much, at least in my opinion. As I said, navigation is in here, battery information, and all that other stuff as well. So let's have a look. This is basically our battery. You can see how much more kilometers we can go, how many we did take or did drive or had a ride to. Then there's your location, as I said. It shows where your scooter is located at. That only works obviously if you have it turned on, or it shows you the last location when it was turned on. And yeah, basically that's the app. Is there anything else I could show you? I would say that should be it. I'm particularly impressed with the battery life and the smooth ride it provides, so that's pretty exciting. And now let's have a quick look again at the parking feature and the lock. So you unlock it here, now it says parked, and the brake will stop it from going forward. You can push it a little bit, but that's about it. And that's all the way it would go, and that's gonna be the review for today.